tayo sa session ni Mia. So, this is her third session for the kindy. And she's excited. So, every Monday, meron siyang kindy session for an hour. Tapos, diretso kami grocery shopping with Mommy Love. Oh, I should have gone there. Maybe I'll go outside. Ito tayo liko. Are you excited, baby? Finish your rings. Dali. Because we're really close. It doesn't take long to drive. So, finish that one. Kumakain pa siya rings niya. Nanood kasi ng iPad. Sabi ko, wag manood. Napapatagalan kasi siya kumain pag nanonood. So, I don't know when was my last vlog, guys. I think that was siguro Monday din last week. Kasi, oh my gosh, nagkasakit na naman ako. This is my third time na buntis ako, na nagkasakit na naman ako. Like, cold. Tingnan niyo sa boses ko. Meron pa din akong ubo. And parang yung nose ko, black nose pa din. But, I'm getting better. Like, nung Friday talaga, as in, after ng ballet ni Mia, di ko na siya pina-gymnastics kasi I was so sick na ang sakit ng likod ko, ang sakit ng katawan ko, sobra na hindi ako makamove. My gosh. As in, grabe. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, kaya ko pa ba? Like, hindi ako makamove at all. Nakahiga lang ako the whole time. Tapos si Mia kawawa, walang naglalaro sa kanya kasi may workman si daddy. So, tinatry ko talaga. Sabi ko, ay, sana gumaling na ako. Tapos nung Saturday, di pa din ako okay. Higa-higa lang din ako. And then, nung kailan ba? Sunday na ako medyo naging okay. Kahapon. Na parang yan, nakakapagtayo na ako, nakakapaglinis. And yeah, finally, ngayon, medyo okay na ako, medyo okay na yung katawan ko. I think because my back was so painful, tapos I asked my sister to like massage it for konti lang naman. And then that time, when I get home, it was so windy. Siguro nung lumabas ako, hinampas ako ng hangin. And ayun, di ba bawal yun, yung parang nagpamassage ka tapos magpahangin ka. So yeah, super hangin nun nung lumabas ako. And then that's when I woke up in the morning na ang sama ng pakiramdam ko. And that was Friday. Nakaya ko pa pumunta sa ballet ni Mia, guys. Pag uwi ko, sabi ko hindi ko kaya. Ayun, higa-higa na ako. Natulog ako, guys. 11:30 hanggang alas 3. Natulog lang ako the whole time. O, diba? Wala talaga. Andito na kami. Diba? Ang dami kong chika. But yeah. Alright. Show me your drawing. You got rich. Oh, look at this drawing people. Eto, nag-drawing na naman siya. Naubos yung oras niya sa... Yung una niyang nilaro is yung sa kabilang table, yung they're washing the toys na pig kasi farm yung topic nila today. Tapos yung kabilang table is painting, yung ano lang, stick lang na paint, and which is so good kasi nagda-dry siya agad. And yeah, look at this, so nice. Let's show daddy later. So this is daddy. That's Mia. That's mommy on the other side. And a rainbow. She wrote her name as well. This is her name. A number. Yeah, the number 1, 2, 3. She's so good. Sabi ni Miss Clark, she's so ready for kindy. Are you so ready for kindy? I was like, yes, she's so excited actually. Alright, punta tayo sa bahay ni na mama. We'll pick her up. Pero kailangan pa namin pumasok kasi hindi pa daw siya tapos mag-ready. Hello, baby boy. Are you moving? You're kicking mommy. Mia, say hello to baby brother.
Hi, baby brother.
Gusto niya hinawakan yung chan ko pag nag-move si baby. Tapos, parang kinikilig siya. Ah, mommy, he's moving. You like touching mommy's tummy when baby brother moves? Yeah. Tapos naghihintay talaga siya patiently. Tinatouch niya talaga, like patiently. Nanihintay niya na mag-move si baby brother niya.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Proud na proud siya siya drawing.
Who is your baby brother?
He said, Mommy's tummy. He got the circle on this tummy, Daddy. This is Mommy got a circle in his baby.
Circle lang baby. Wow.
Ay, naku.
So cute. So pretty.
Yeah.
Good job, Mia. O siya nang sa to, the sun.
Wala. She drew the bunny yesterday. And she said, you teach her how to.
Yeah, and the sun too.
Is it? Alright, come on.
Nice. Good job, Mia. Good job.
Mamila's taking a shower.
Oh.
Hey!
Is Mamila taking a shower?
You.
Alright, so nandito tayo sa shop ni Papa. Si Mia pumasok na, tsaka si Mama. May kukunin lang siya pang grocery. And si Mia, dinala niya yung drawing niya kasi ipapakita niya daw kay Daddy Lou. Andun sila sa loob. Ayan guys, this is their shop. So if taga Morley kayo, malapit kayo dito. Ayan, Dancar Automotives. Ayan. Dito lang sila sa Morley. Search nyo lang, Dancar Automotives. You can also send money here kasi may Western Union sila dito. Nandito kami sa Filipino shop. Tira may nakita siya. You can get one. You have money, you can pay for it.
No, I want to save it.
Binigyan siya ni Papa ng $5.
I just want to get a lot of dollars, but I want something cool. If we help somebody, they would give me dollars. Hold it. Just don't pay it. Pay your money.
Is that a good idea?
But I want to save my dollar.
Oh, save my dollar.
Perfect.
Oh,
Ito ako magaling makaon. Siniwa. Ako man na siniwa makaon.
hindi sina. Hay naman ang tungaon talang kay hindi ko maubos kasi masamad. Amo na. Sige. Ano lang ako? Duwa akong tatlo imo. Yeah?
Siyang tatlo yung mundo.
Meron din silang mga, ayan o, may ara sila, ano na, diba, may ano na o, popular, the barley.
Ang party.
Yeah.
Party mo ba?
May Kojisan sila dito. Kojisan. Ano man yung gusto? Ito iba man na.
Muna isa kasi isa. Sa sunod. Sa to dati mo na ang nang yan ko. Ano ba?
Corn chip. Mia, come here.
Kita mo gamay na lang.
Marami silang Filipino, ano dito na. Amo na siya, white?
Oo, ano siya ganyan.
Ay, mo na lang niya. Nakuha mo ko.
Ako tatlo lang.
Siya yung taga-bit-bit. Ano pa?
Why do you want me?
What else do you want, Mia?
I want to get the purple one that we bought.
The purple one, the super ring?
Yeah.
We have super ring already. We still have super ring at home.
The one that we chip. It's the one like the circle chip. Like this.
Circle chips.
Yeah.
I don't know which one is the circle chips.
It's like the purple. It's like the purple basket.
Oh, don't know.
Wow, it's getting heavier.
Getting heavier.
Yeah, but I'm strong.
You're strong. Oh wow. Where's your muscle?
Here, my muscle.
Oh wow, so tight.
I have one.
Kay Dani na lang.
Ako papadala.
Hindi ka magano.
Okay, galing tayo dyan. MV Filipino Asian Groceries. Ang bata, tingnan niya, naka-candy na naman siya.
Careful you.
Yan yung gusto niya. Nakita niya dun sa counter. Oh, diba?
Emotion ba niya?
Punta tayo sa MCQ.
Marami po
Loob na kami. Handyan lang yung kabayan, guys. Buffet food.
Marami po siya.
Bakit to ka? Nantaw ka? Dito kami bumibili. Sinigang. Ay, may dinuguan. Ano to, ma? Laing? Wala na. Meron din sila dessert. Ay, eto oh. Gusto ko to. Survival.
Why do they don't want to eat Dorian?
MCQ na kami, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, binilan ko siya durian. Daddy and Mia will be happy. I've got durian. Tapos sabi niya, yes! Happy siya. Are you happy? Yeah? Ay, are you happy to have durian? Yeah? Ayun yung durian eh. May dalawang klase. So, yung isa, Musang King. Yung isa, R or RI6. RI6. Mas cheaper nga yung ano, RI6. Tapos, she asked me, why you don't want durian? Kasi ayaw ni Mommy ng smell. Mommy don't like the smell of the durian, you know?
When it makes you healthy and strong, you have muscles. You
But I
have
don't like.
muscles.
I don't like it. What else do we need here? Mga veggies lang naman yung kailangan namin sa MCQ. Meron na silang ano, Nor cubes, beef, chicken. Wala silang pork, ma. No. Lagi silang ubos ng pork dito. Bumili kami doon kanina sa Filipino shop ng pork. 199 lang dito, guys. Doon ang mahal ata doon. Tingnan natin yung receipt mamaya. Kung magkano yung kuha natin. But yeah, mahal kasi talaga pag Filipino shop. Yung binili namin konti lang pero naka $123 ako. Diba? Kaching-kaching. Ano pa yung need natin, Mia? Kuha tayo na to. Orange red. Ito ata yung gusto ni Vin na orange.
Dua lang?
Tatlo ang kuguro. Ikaw, tatlo ka na. Pero maliit lang siya, no? Hindi siya malaki.
Gusto mo may pula dito.
Hindi yung may pool. Red, baka red. Pero may nabakal ko last time, hindi manami.
Yung red na. Diba po sa Dani?
Sige, okay na oh. Yay! Back in the car. Punta tayo Coles.
Wala ako pa.
Mahangin na mainit, guys. So, kailangan ko maglagay ng sunshade. Diba? Tingnan nyo siya. Coles na kami, guys. $2 juice. We've got juice already, actually. Fruit Loops. Naka-sale siya. Yes, $5.50. Alright, I think we've got everything. Just waiting for Mamila. Mamila's there pa. Dami nilang naka-sale dito sa beauty section. So, pili pa dun si Mamila. Tingnan niyo. Sabi niya, wow, mommy, Christmas dress. Diba? Which one do you like? This green? Look at the green one. It's got something at the back.
Really? Can I see?
But this one's cute. What? Ay, it's got one too at the back. You like this one better? Wee.
I do like it.
You do like it. Okay. You're size 5 now. Okay, hold this.
They got some wings.
Yeah, you wanna wear this for Santa photo?
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll take picture with Santa?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. That's it. Kmart kami, guys. Di pa tapos si Baba kanina sa Coles. So, sabi ko, punta muna tayo Kmart. Oh, ano na naman? May nakita na naman ikaw.
This is for small girls.
Small girls. Well, you can wear that too.
What's for small girls? See, I'm big already.
Ay, laglag. Gusto niya yung mga dress na may wings. Look what's there. For boys. There is Pikachu.
You just get the Paw Patrol for me, but it's for boys. You're not. It's for boys.
Sorry. Mayroon dong Paw Patrol. Kaya lang parang maglalaki. Hala, mag-shopping na siya. Tingnan niyo, bababa.
Oh, look at my money.
Hello people, we are home. May naglalaro siya sa labas kasi may mga batang naglalaro sa labas ang gusto niya maki-join. Pero nahihiya siya approach them. Sabi niya, "Mommy, help me, help me." Kaya ganun siya. Sabi niya, shy daw siya, "I'm shy." So ano lang siya, naglalaro. Tapos yung sa kabilang house, sa neighbor namin na medyo malayo-layo ng konti. Yung mga bata na naglalaro, magkapatid sila. Sige, gusto niya makipaglaro, kaya lang nahihiya siya. So, dyan lang siya. Sa garage namin. So, ito lahat ang ating nabili, guys. Naka5 bags tayo. Oh my gosh. So, isang bag sa Filipino shop. 2 bag sa MCQ, which is the Asian shop din. And 2 bag from Kohl's. Tapos, ito yung sa Kmart na nabili natin. So, i-haul natin sila. So, unahin natin yung sa Kohl's. Ito yung nagamit kong bag sa Kohl's. We have brioche buns, shampoo ni Mia, almond mini, naka-sale. Medicine ni Mia is a cold. So, Ferrero, naka-sale, half price. Fruit Loops, cookies. Bumili ako whipping cream. And then, thickened cream. So, I paid $134 sa Kohl's. Mati lang yung nabili ko, pero $134 na din yun. And then, meron pa dito. Are you done playing outside?
No. Can you help me do this?
No.
No, I'm gonna blow it.
Okay, blow.
Say,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mia. Happy birthday to you. Wow. And then,
that's so fun.
mini na Coke. 2 kasi naka 2 for 15 something. Dishwashing liquid.
Mommy,
And the
how
coconut
did we turn it
water.
on? Mommy, how did we turn it on?
Well, we can't play with it, Mia. It's not.
Again.
You're not supposed to play with this. Mia's hairspray.
Let me try to blow it again. Don't say happy birthday.
Okay, blow. Oh, amazing! And then, my eye patch. Ayan. Nakasale sila. So, binili ko na. Ilan ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yan. Naka $2.50 na lang. Oh.
Look at my dad.
Oh! Allow you dance. Show people your dance. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Patay. Like that.
No.
Are you done playing outside? Because I'm gonna close the garage.
No, it's not down. I'm still playing.
Oh, hurry up. Bumili kami ng bread sa bread shop eh. So, ito. Yung donut ni Mia, hindi yan naubos. And yung coconut loaf sa bread top, you must try because it's very yum. Lagay ko muna to guys sa freezer. So, sa Kmart, ito yung mga nabili ko kay Mia. So, ano lang, mga pang Christmas. So, we have this pink one na t-shirt. And we have the pantulog na Christmas. And ito ang cute! Nakalagay sister. Ayun. So, binili ko na. Actually, hindi to gusto ni Mia, pero sabi ko, bilhin ko. Bahala ka. And ito yung pinili niyang dress doon. Kasi may butterfly na wings. So, diba? Ang cute. So, ito yung susuotin niya pag nag-Santa photo kami. The purple shirt. Ayan. Nakita na ko sa kanya pag nagti-t-shirt siya. Kaya lang, mas gusto niya talaga mag-dress. Ngayon, na-convince ko siya kasi sabi ko, punta tayo ng big school. At kailangan naka-top and pants ka para comfortable kapag nag-play kayo sa playground. So, nag-agree siya, guys. Kaya naka-t-shirt and shorts siya today. So, next is from the MV Filipino shop. So, Chippy, Mr. Chip, Wishy, Knock, for Mia, And this one, the Grahams, mahal to guys dun. Sana pala dun na lang ako bumili sa Asian shop. But yeah, so we have the Grahams. Yung pahaba, hindi yung wide na Grahams. So, yan. Well, I'm planning to make Graham bar. Try ko siya gawin. Si Mia yung pumili na to, the lychee jelly. Nata de coco akong binili. Yung peanut butter, tapos cream. Meron sila dun guys. So, 4 yung binili ko. And mahal siya. Mahal siya. Grabe talaga. Mahal talaga dun. Ayan. And yung bawang na, boy bawang na assorted. Paborito to ni Mia. And ito, pork and beef na Knorr cubes. Alam niyo ba magkano to sa Filipino shop? $4.50. Tapos sa Asian shop, $2 lang. O, diba? Bongga. Bongga ang pinagkaiba na price. I've got today's mixed fruit as well. Ayan. Stick-O! Pinapili ko si Mia ng flavor na gusto niya sa Zest-O. Ito yung pinili niya na flavor. Apple drink. And may balot pala tayo, guys. Ayan. 5 lang yung pinili. 5 lang yung kinuha ko. Kasi yung isang dozen is $38. So, hindi ko baka di namin maubos ni Biba. Yeah. We got 5 balot there. $3.50 yung isa. Ito na yung sa Asian shop. So, we have watermelon. Puro veggies yung nandito, guys. Daddy's durian. Ayan. Meron pala akong tinake away kay na mama. Kasi gumawa yung sister-in-law ko ng fruit salad. So, I've got fruit salad. And yung sa Filipino shop kanina, bumili si mama ng ensaymada. And kasi sa isang box is 5. So, sabi ko, baka hindi ko maubos hati tayo. So, I've got 2. Yan. So, 3 yung natira kay mama. Vinegar, dato puti. We have the Mali juice. Paborito ko to guys. So, I like the flavor mango and lychee. So, dinalawa ko na kasi $2 for $5. Dalawang lychee. Mayonnaise as well. So, ito mga veggies na to. So, ito yung laksa leaves. May kinakain ni Daddy pag nagbabalot kami. So, kailangan may ganyang veggie. Tawag dyan is laksa leaves. Tomato here. Eggplant. And nakalipso na mangga. Matamis yung kalipso na mangga. So, yan yung binili ko. Alam ka, another nata de coco kasi mas mura doon. So, Lucky Meat chicken na noodles kasi gusto yan ni Mia. Cherry. Banana for Mia. We have 3 oranges. Yung blood orange. And another mangga. Si Daddy lang lahat kumakain ng mangga na binibili ko, guys. Ewan ko ba bakit parang ayaw ko na ng mangga. Gusto ko yung luto na mangga. Yung right. We have 1 sayote. We have lemongrass here. Whole chicken na pinakat ko ng small pieces. Buto. Pork bowl. Pork belly. Beef. So, yan lahat ang ating pinamili. So, yun lang lahat, guys. And, kailangan ko i-separate na naman yung mga pork and chicken. Kasi, kailangan ko sila hiwain para easy to defrost. And, kailangan ko i-put away to. And, I have to check Mia outside. Bumili din ako ng itlog. Ito pala yung itlog natin. So, every time na nag-grocery kami every Monday, hindi ako bumibili ng bongga, ng madami. So, ngayon, napadami kasi ubos na yung iba kong stock sa fridge, especially the drinks. Yung mga veggies, ayun, ubos na, naluto ko na lahat. Ayan, so yung natira na lang is milk. And, yan, the soda water. Meron pa nga kaming egg, oh. Pero that's okay, bumili lang ako. And, yeah, tadan. Walang masyadong laman. So, we have, actually, mango pa here. But, yeah. So, may natira pa akong mangga. And 2 orange. The rest, lemon na siya. And ito yung mangga na galing sa kapatid ni V. And lemon. Ayan na lang natira. So, yun. So, we have the leftover left as well. Ayan, leftover. Leftover, ito, strawberry. May natira pa konti. And, yung mga gulay natin, wala na din, diba? Ito, may isa pa akong sayote. Cabbage. Kailangan ko linisin to, uy. Madumi na sila. Carrots. Ayan. Hugasan natin to. Kakauwi niya lang, guys. Tingnan niyo. Nandito na si Daddy. Nauna pa si Daddy sa bahay. Galing sa, sa labas yung bata. Ako, nakipag-chika na din ako dun. Kasi andun din yung nanay. So, yung tatay nag-ihaw sa labas. And si Mia, laro-laro pa. Ayaw pa pumasok, guys. Nag-i-enjoy siya. So, what's your friend's name again? What's your friend's name? Huh? You forgot already? AV? AV and Ali. Yeah, Ali. The big one is Ali.
The small one is
AV.
AC.
Yeah. Hindi ko pa natapos put away itong mga ginagawa ko kasi I have to watch her outside. And ayun, nakapag-chika-chika na ako, guys, habang nandun sa labas. O, diba? Let's wash this. Oh,
Let's go to the shop.
okay. Pinalabas niya yung ano niya kahapon. Selling station, oh. What is Mia selling today?
Oh, no, the shop's actually messed. So
What are you selling today, Mia?
I'm storing my yummy food, and I'm going to decorate the shop.
Nice, yummy food.
Yeah.
Wow. Mia's eating durian. Look at her. That's her second one, guys. Look at her face.
You like regular
Tapos na
durian?
kami kumain ng dinner. Ito yung binili ko. Binagoongang pork. Tsaka, what's this one?
Dad, I don't like watching
Pinakbit. And spaghetti. Si Mama bumili nito.
Mama. I love watching banana.
And Daddy gave me balot. But it's so hot pa. Fresh from the pot. Wait lang, ang init. Kain tayo, guys. Cheers! It's too hot, Daddy. You don't have spoon? Did you get spoon?
Yeah, but you can
Oh, so hot. The sauce is good. The sauce, what do you call it? Yung ginawa ni Daddyng asin. It's a bit spicy. I think there's a little bit. It's hot still.
Mommy, you can have it now.
You finish?
They can have it.
I don't want to have it.
Huh?
Gusto
You
niyo
want to
already.
eat it so you can be Daddy's best friend.
No, it's alright. I don't want to eat durian. Be
You
careful.
can be Daddy's best friend and my best friend.
Aww, you're my best friend forever.
You can still be our best friend if you eat durian so much. Why you don't eat durian so much? Because of the smell? Because of the smell?
Yeah, because of the smell. I don't like the smell of
I
durian.
love the smell.
You love the smell?
Yummy, delicious in my tummy.
Yummy, delicious in your tummy. What's that?
I don't like
That was it.
Is it? So this is all mine?
Yeah, that's good. Fill the water first.
It's so hot.
So I can get the cup.
This is the laksa leaves that I was telling you guys. You have to have this when eating balot. Do you have it with vinegar? No, no? No, they never have it with vinegar. Only Filipino.
We have this and drink alcohol.
Is it? I think I don't know if we eat that with... I think we do as well with alcohol.
I like when we're drinking. Baby is very small.
That one. Yum, Daddy. Yummy balot.
This actually make me have a fever. Because it's hot.
Is it? May sasabihin siya.
But guys, did you know? If you don't like and subscribe, then you got a broken heart. If you like and subscribe, then you got a nice heart. And like and subscribe and see you in this channel. And also my mom told me I can do and like and subscribe when you got broken hearts, and I can play with games all day. When my baby brother comes out, I can let him watch Pokemon Forever, share toys, and also when mommy got there's only one lollipop, I'm kidding, and this can I'll watch Pokemon too. Next I'm gonna learn all those, and I'm gonna let baby brother eat it.
Wow.
And like and subscribe so I got a good heart.